Move this car! I said don't stop! No! How come Uncle Sam is this small, whilst every other person in your family is this big?
What are you trying to say?
Nothing, I'm just curious, you know, like probably grandma had some...
Both of you stop it. Right now.
Oh, good morning, Dad.
Daddy, good morning.
Morning. Yeah, I think what we have here smells good. Yes. And I think I need to start with this.
Honey, please drop that cake. Drop it right now. Come on, this tiny piece of cake could lead to insulin crisis. You know that. I'll be watching you closely, dear husband of my youth.
Can we please eat now? Some of us are hungry.
And some of us don't have insulin issues, so we can start up with the cake.
My friend, come on, drop it. We have not prayed.
Yes.
Okay, Dad.
Please pray over this food.
All right, everybody, close your eyes and let us pray to God Almighty. Father, in the name of Jesus Christ, I want to thank you for today. And as we eat this food, may it be for the nourishment of our bodies. In Jesus' mighty name we pray.
Amen. Amen. And amen.
Amen.
Okay. Dad.
When again did you say your service posting will be released?
I'm not exactly sure, Dad, but I'm hopeful it will be pretty soon.
I just pray that you are transferred to somewhere nice. Some of the stories we hear about corps members are terrible.
There she goes again, worrying her head off.
I would have my son posted to one of those volatile areas.
Not to worry, Mom.
I think the government is doing something about it.
Yes, Dad.
I just have to be on my way, right?
All right, Dad. Have a nice day.
It's okay.
Yeah. Not to worry, Mom. Everything will be fine. I'm sure. Yeah.
Hold on.
Who's that?
Hello? No, I'm not free today. Not even next week or the week after. Bye, Chidima.
Gosh, that was rude.
We're talking about Chidima here, big sister.
Oh, that's true.
They are not serious, my son.
Other people go there. Mommy. Sandra. I'll be okay, right?
Are you sure you'll be okay?
Yes, I'll be fine. I'll call you when I get there.
I love you.
I love you too, Mom. See you. Bye.
Bye.
welcome, Mama. Mama, what's wrong? What's troubling you now?
Sales have been bad. They've been poor. I just hope we could come up with something before your exams.
Mama, don't worry about it, okay? We'll be able to make some money. We always do, okay? I made some money from the bead sales. It's not much, but it should go a long way.
It doesn't work like that, my dear. A child should not be fending for herself when her parents are still alive. It's not done.
Well, Mama, for starters, I am not a child. Besides, this is my education we're talking about. So I cannot allow you to shoulder all the burden on your own, okay? Not if there is something I can do about it. So just cheer up and be happy. Everything is going to be fine.
Good morning, class. Good morning, sir. My name is Alexander Brown. I'm the new core member sent here to teach you anatomy and physiology. It's my utmost pleasure to be amongst all of you today, and I'm hoping we're going to have a wonderful session together in this school. And I'm going to do my best to make sure we learn from each other and we grow. Now to the topic of the day.
Doris.
Yes, sir.
I'll go straight to the point. You have not paid your tuition, and the rector of this institution says he will not allow people like you to sit for the exam. As the bossa, I am giving you this as a privileged information because I know that you are one of the bright students in this school. But you must find a way to come up with the fund. Alex, please, come in. You sure? Yes, I'm already through with that.
Anything the matter with Doris?
No, it's just the normal school issue. Yeah. Let's discuss about your payment.
Oh yeah, I filled the form. Have you not gotten it?
Not at all.
Good morning, class. Good morning. So I have the script from the last test, and I must say your performance was way below what I expected. I mean, these questions are easy for people of your level. However, someone amongst you did exceptionally well that I began to worry why the person did not deem it fit to put his or her name on the script. Who might that be?
Sorry about that, sir. That would be my script.
Is this yours?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good. This is by far the best script amongst all of you. She did excellently well, and that is quite impressive. And I urge you all to be more serious with what you do here. I mean, that's why we're here, to learn and to grow and to improve upon ourselves, okay? I'll see you all in class tomorrow. You can take your scripts here.
Uncle Sam, what are you tasking my husband for this time around?
Well, let's say my favorite male nephew was transferred to a strange land, and we need to appease the highway of the land where he currently is.
My son is doing just fine.
Well, his path has been cleared. All right? I must be on my way now.
Honey, this brother of mine is overstepping his boundaries. I need to talk to him. It's too much.
Honey, come off it. You know, Sam and I have come a long way. I wouldn't have been able to meet and marry the most beautiful woman on this earth if I hadn't known him. So I'm paying to sustain my love.
I love you too.
I love you, baby.
Hey sis, what's good?
I'm good. Just that I miss you. What's happening at your village outpost?
Well, nothing much. I'm settling in fine. Though my night was horrible. Electric power here is epileptic.
Oh, I'm so sorry, darling. Do you mind if we get you a generator or an inverter?
Please don't mock me. I don't need your inverter.
Okay, I'm sorry. My apologies. So on a more serious note, any serious girl at the moment?
Sandra, I know this is about Chidinma. And I want to tell you that I have not changed my mind.
Anyway, don't say I didn't say.
See, Sandra, you know what? I am running late for school, eh?
You're busy now. You want to go because I mentioned Chidinma. I know. I see you ending up with a village girl.
See, Sandra, you know what? I am running late for school, eh? We'll talk about this prophecy of yours when I'm back.
Okay. So when am I talking to you again?
Bye, please.
Naughty boy.
Aren't you off your way this evening, Copper?
Doris.
Mama.
Doris, my pretty daughter.
Mommy.
I know you are ready for your exams today.
I am, Mama. But I only hope for a miracle today because there is no way I'll be allowed to write another exam while we still owe money for the last session.
Hey, it's true. I understand. But you know you have
Mama,
to.
I am sorry to cut you short. This is beginning to become really embarrassing. I never really know when next I'm going to be sent back home. Mama.
I understand.
Mama, I'm sorry I sound a little ungrateful. But I'm the one in front of this whole thing here.
Doris! What is it? What is it again? Eh?
Mama, it's okay.
Are you okay?
Mama, I'll be okay. I'll be fine. I'll be okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mama, I'll be fine. Okay, I'll be fine.
You sure you can manage?
Mama, let me just go.
That is the height of unethical practices. There must be some limit to business. Listen, find out what pharmacare pharmaceuticals are doing so that we can build a case against them if necessary. Good.
Is there a problem? You look upset.
Some unprofessionalism in display.
You know I hate it when you speak in an ambiguous way. What is unprofessionalism in display? Hey.
Where did you get this bread from?
From the olive bakery, sir.
White bread? You know very well he only eats wheat bread. White bread?
I'm sorry, ma. The wheat bread I saw were not fresh, so I had to go for this one instead.
Just pack this one up.
Pack
this thing up.
White bread.
Sorry, sir.
Just take some tea.
Honey, I just have to leave now.
We have some egg.
It's all right, honey.
You are going to work. Darling.
Honey, I'm late already.
I'll pack some food for you.
It's all right, it's all right, it's all right.
Good morning, class. We've said it over and over again that this institution is not a charitable organization. And therefore, we will not allow tuition fee defaulters to sit for this exam. We have a couple of them here without further wasting of time. Doris Ikeji and Tobias Ayo. Please, can you leave your exam scripts on the desk and come up, please? Right now. All right. You can go back to your seats and continue with the exam. All right, class, you can go and write your exams. Yeah. All right. I hope you know what you're doing. I'm expected to submit my account at the end of school today.
How much is she owing?
She has not paid her school fees for the past 2 sessions, but the school has been magnanimous enough to allow her to sit for exams.
You haven't answered my question, sir.
Well, if you must know, she's owing 70,250 naira. Well, I know that your mega allowance cannot allow you to pay such an amount.
All right then. You'll get the money before close of work today. Yeah. Sorry. Also add the other boys' bill to it and forward me the school's account details. I'll take care of it also.
How come? Well, the new copper had something to do with it.
Silai.
It's true.
Put your heart to rest. Besides, I'm sure he only had pity for us, and I wasn't the only one he helped. So just relax and be happy. Nothing to worry your mind about.
You know these young boys, oh. You know these young boys. Fresh from the university.
Mama, relax. It's okay. Come on, let's go inside.
Are you sure?
Who's that? Oh. What's that?
Alex.
Is anything the matter?
Yes, you left this at the deputy rector's office the day you resumed. We've been trying to figure out who had it, but unfortunately we were able to do that.
Yeah, it's mine. I have been looking for it everywhere. And I don't even know where to buy another like this in this town.
Well, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, let me take my leave now.
All right, sir.
I do not know how much he saw, but we cannot afford to be careless. I think it's only proper we keep an eye on him. The NYSC scheme will most likely watch over the core members. So, we must be careful and ensure the time is right before taking a step. I will welcome suggestions from any of you.
I suggest we track him down before he exposes us.
Madam, I must say that you should begin preparations for an operation. See, from my findings here, it's getting worse. It's actually deteriorating, and the sooner you get the money, the better, madam. And another thing, I don't think there's any need for any further delays. Just hasten up.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Doris. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I just came by to say thank you for standing up for me. My mother and I are working really hard to ensure that we repay the loan.
I'm a bit curious. Where is your father?
He passed some few years ago.
Sorry about that. Doris, I want you to know that I did not agree to pay your fees as a loan. I have observed your performance in this class, and I must say you're doing great. Just keep it up. I'd also like to let you know that in my little capacity, I'll make sure I do everything possible to ensure you finish your program in this school, and that finances would not be any issue.
Oh my God. Thank you so much, sir. I am so grateful. Thank you so much. God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Bless you too.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Just keep it up, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
God bless you, sir. Thank you.
All right. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too, sir. Mama, welcome.
Thank you. Doris.
Yes, Mama. Let me help you.
Doris.
Mm-hmm.
What is this about? I hope this is not payment for one of those your expensive books that you need.
Mama, it's not about that. Come and sit down and enjoy your meal. I have some very fantastic news for you. Sit down, sit down. Wait, hold on first. I want you to enjoy your meal before I tell you this news. Take.
Not so fast, young lady. Now, this is officially suspicious. Tell me, what is this about, my daughter?
You remember that youth corper teacher? Today, I went to see him, to talk to him about buying us some time to gather some funds to pay him back for paying my school fees, remember? And do you know what he said to me?
No.
He said we should not pay anything again. And to add to that, he said anything that has to do with my education, he's going to pay for everything.
It's a lie.
Mama, just like that.
You're kidding me.
Mama, I'm telling you the truth.
Hey!
I'm telling you, Mama.
You are not serious.
Mama, I'm telling you the truth.
Hey, God, I thank you. Hey, Timo. Timom. Hey.
Mama.
Lord is wonderful. Wait,
Mama.
Doris, this doesn't add up. Hold on. Tell me the truth. What's in it for him?
Mama, what are you talking about?
You know, we should not be encouraging him. Don't misunderstand me. Let's not start putting ideas in his head. I think we should find his money and return it to him.
Mama, what are you talking? You want us to reject this blessing just like that?
Don't tell me that, oh. What do you know? You young people, when they're trying to direct you, this is...
Mama, it's not like that now. He's trying to help us. You want us to reject his offer?
No. I will not, oh.
Mama!
I learned that the classes here are quite intense, but I promise to do my best.
I'm sure you can cope.
Yes, sir.
Come.
Good day, sir.
Copper, we have quite a peculiar case here. This is Adenike,
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
a transfer student from one of the nursing colleges around.
Okay.
We just got satisfactory transfer documents from her school. So you might be seeing her around in your contacts with the students.
That's not a problem, sir. I just hope she's able to cope because the end of session exams are around the corner.
I will.
Oh, good, fine.
Okay, you can leave us now.
Okay, sir.
We will finish with your admission processing and get back to you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Sir, you see, it's a bit complicated because of the lectures we've had already and how far we've gone, and I don't know where she's coming from and what she's done already. So in parasitology today, we shall be discussing malaria parasites. Basically, there are 4 types of malaria parasites. We have the Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, and Plasmodium malariae. And I remember I did say in our last class that a particular kind of mosquito is responsible, or rather carries the parasite that causes malaria. Who can tell me what mosquito I said? You?
Sir, I think you said it's the Asian tiger mosquito, also known as the Aedes albopictus.
Wrong. Any other idea? Okay.
Sir, I think you said it is a female Anopheles mosquito.
Perfect. The female Anopheles mosquito is solely responsible for the transmission of malaria parasite majorly in this part of the world. And I did say that it had an incubation period, a certain period of time within which the symptoms of malaria manifest, between the bite and the manifestation of the symptoms. Who can remind me what time I said? You?
14 days, sir.
Exactly. Averagely 14 days. But the incubation period can range between 10 days to 4 weeks. Doris, are you okay? Oh my God!
Professor! You catch it!
I'll catch what?
She has a strange disease.
What disease? Can you all come around and help me? I'm disappointed.
I didn't do anything to her.
Why is she like this?
She was just so quiet in class today, and the next thing, she collapsed.
How could I not tolerate this?
I told you not to bother. I'm fine.
How can you say that? Just manage this as a little appreciation of the poor widow. Hmm? I know it's not what you're used to. You're used to better food in the city. But just manage this.
Thank you, ma.
You know, you've really tried. I don't know how to thank you. You were helping her with her studies, with this one, copper this, copper that. I was worried. You know, you young people. But from the little I've seen, you are a good man.
Thank you.
You are a wonderful person. You are a man with a heart of gold. My God will bless you.
Amen.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mama. But what's most important to me now is that she needs to go to the hospital as soon as possible. I don't think it's wise keeping her here in the house waiting.
Hospital? Where will I get that kind of money from? We have been managing it since, and she's getting better. I mean, we've managed the ailment.
No, Mama, don't talk like that. So this is it. I want to rush home now to freshen up and come back. Just do me a favor. Make sure she's set for the hospital by the time I arrive. Okay?
Excuse me. What we have is a clear case of near rupture.
Hey.
Oh my God.
You were lucky to have brought her in when you did. We will commence the procedure as soon as possible. But I'll suggest that within the next 24 hours, she does not eat anything.
You should be all right, doctor.
It will be a very sensitive procedure. Let's just hope that she doesn't get referred to some specialist hospital where it will cost more money and then you will have to pay.
Money is not the issue here. All I want you to do is to ensure she gets fine and back on her feet.
Yes.
I'll take care of the bill.
No. Then we don't have any issues here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, doctor.
Okay, good morning, class. I was thinking lately, and I was worried about the general welfare of some of you. We all know the economy is hard in the country now, and a little income outside of what your parents give to you would go a long way to cushion the effect and assist you in your stay as students here. I'm aware that some of you have access to farmlands and landowners, while some others have a flair for fashion and some other skills. So I was thinking, why don't we start up some form of skill or welfare or something? Is there anything wrong in harnessing these skills you have? Okay, you want to say something?
Sir, we all are training to be nurses. These things are beneath us, sir.
Really?
Oh, really? Now tell me, do you have any assurance that you'll be given a place to work when you leave here? I thought as much. Look, it's high time we understood that our lecturer here is only going to be with us for just 1 year. And then after that, we'll all be left alone to fend for ourselves. I think he's just trying to give us a great idea. But no, some of you have the temerity and the impetus to scorn his suggestions. Some of you are even pressing your phones. That's very bad. Anyway, sir, I'm ready to work with you on this. And any other person that is interested is free to sign up.
Thank you. Thank you very much. That was quite intense and well appreciated. So after class today, I'll have a paper go round. If you're interested, you put down your name and what you can do, and we'll take it up from there. So in the last class, we spoke about thrombosis. Who can recall what we said? about thrombosis. Any ideas? Okay.
Thrombosis is the formation of blood clots inside the blood vessel, obstructing the flow of blood.
Thank you very much. Thrombosis, like we said before, is the formation of blood clots inside the blood vessels, obstructing the flow of blood through the circulatory system. Now, hi. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. So how is my top student doing today?
I'm doing fine, thank you. The operation went really well, so I should be out of here in 2 weeks' time.
Oh, thank God.
Thank you so much for everything. Thank you. I am so grateful. God.
It's nothing. All I want you to do is concentrate on getting stronger and better so that you're out of here in less than 2 weeks.
Well, that's the least time I can get out of here because the doctor says I need to make full recovery to prevent the stitches from coming out or any other complications.
Wow. And your exams are just in a few days.
Oh my goodness, that is so true.
Is there no way he... Okay, let me see the doctor.
Okay.
I'll be back soon.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right.
Absolutely no. There is no way we will discharge a patient because of some exams.
Doctor, this is very important. She could repeat a year or two if she doesn't sit for those exams.
The answer is still no. Look, I'm sorry, I can't help you on this. This patient needs her drugs. Besides, I need to go.
I have all her drugs covered. I came with them, so I wouldn't be needing any of yours.
Mr. Alex, you may be the son of one of the biggest pharmaceutical owners in this country, but you are not a doctor. I'm the doctor here, okay? Allow me to do my job, please.
I'm not stopping you from doing your job. I'm just insisting that none of your drugs get into her system. That's it. Have a nice day, sir.
I never knew men like this still exist.
God still works miracles, right?
Yes, my dear. But not in this manner. Do you know that all your drugs were brought in from his father's company in Lagos? God is really good. Someone's life just came to an end.
Mama, are you sure I'll be safe in this place?
Oh, you'll be fine. Oh, you'll be fine, my daughter. You will be fine. Look, our God cannot forsake us. He is with us.
Sandra, you have a funny imagination. No, it's not what you think. It's definitely not. I'm just doing my job as a teacher here, trying to put them in line.
Remember I told you I see a village girl in your future? It's beginning to happen.
As long as you accept to be the sister-in-law to a village girl. Fine, I don't have a problem with that.
Oh my goodness.
I need to run along now. Sis, I have a village girl to attend to. All right, talk to you later. Hi. So how are you doing today?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
I can see.
Well, do you know if I'll be allowed to leave to take the exams?
Well, the doctor has been really obstinate about it. But I promise you I'll do everything possible to ensure you take your exams.
Okay. God, what is wrong with this hospital? That is the third person dying in 4 days.
You're the one using fake drugs! Fake doctor, fake drugs! Fake doctor, fake drugs! You're the one! Listen, I'm using fake drugs! It is you! I'm going to this! Fake drugs! Fake drugs!
So, what have we got so far on him? Well, what can I say? What goes around sure comes around.
That is not awesome.
Really? My, oh my. This keeps getting better. He's a user. Nice. So we'll proceed as planned.
Please don't forget to take your drugs, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right.
Oh, thank you. What? Oh, this? Just some iron deficiency pills. I had a challenge as a child, and it was recommended.
Oh, okay.
Though I don't need it anymore, but I got addicted.
Folic acid?
Yeah, something like that.
Wait, you do know that's what pregnant women take, right? They take it throughout the duration of their pregnancy.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh my God. No wonder the nauseous feelings sometimes. And then the kicks here and here. I'm gonna have a baby.
Oh my God.
Sorry. I was just trying out my comic side.
It's okay, it's okay. Oh, God. So, what are we going to name the child? Your baby?
Ah, that's easy now. I'll call him Chemistry.
Oh, you're so funny.
Please don't do this to yourself.
You're going to kill me.
Your stitches, please, please, please.
I wonder why you're even bothering yourself about these books. You should be resting.
Look, my exams are in a few hours' time, and I'm very hopeful that I will write it today.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh. Oh my God.
So, Doris, are you ready to take your exams here and now?
Yes, I'm ready to write it.
You're sure?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Any writing material with you?
No, sir.
Okay, this is it. You have a good. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you.
This is the first paper. You have an hour for this, after which they'll give you the second question paper. All right, I'll leave you in their hands now. Okay. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Wow, wow, wow. This is wonderful. I mean, that's what I'm talking about. Look at the very amazing things you guys produced. That's what I'm talking about. The pastries, the baskets, the beads, the bread, the artworks, everything. Who says as nurses you cannot have little extra cash in your pocket?
Sir, it's our work.
Who could have known you would do this? That's what I'm talking about. These are the things that make you begin to build and grow as an entrepreneur. I am so proud of all of you. A round of applause for yourselves. Okay.
And sir, I made you these very lovely cupcakes, in addition to every other thing that we made.
Wow. This is lovely.
Thank you.
Can I have a taste?
Yes, sir. Let me help you.
This is lovely.
Thank you, sir.
How much am I paying for it?
Oh, no. You don't need to pay me. I mean, it's just my way of saying thank you. On behalf of the class, anyway. Yes. To all the repressed possibilities that you opened up for us. Thank you.
Ain't you such an angel?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate every one of you.
You're welcome, sir.
All right, I'll do justice to this after class. Now to the topic of the day. So, the last time I told you we would have a test today. So guys, this is it. Like you know already, your goods are already in the trunk of the car. Every single thing you produced in there. So we're heading to the market now. I had already made arrangements for a space at the market where you would display everything you have made and have people come and buy it. I told you that a little effort goes a very long way. Now you would go there for yourselves and see what I have been saying. Let's get it. Hurry, 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 hurry. Take it easy, one at a time. Whoa!
Hi.
I can see you're doing great today.
Yes, I'm doing fine, thank you. Well, this is for you.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Well, it's my own little way of saying thank you for being there. You know, the rain is going to be upon us very soon and it gets really chilly here. So I made you a cardigan. I personally knitted it for you.
Oh my God. Wow. Wow. This is lovely. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Well, it might not be cake, but it will get real handy very soon.
Ah. I can see some nosy little birds have been visiting you here. Anyways, it's nothing serious, but the cupcake was quite good.
Can I ask you something, sir?
Fine, yeah, ask me anything.
Well, my mother, you know, she was kind of worried. She's wondering if all these things you're doing are not for...
For my personal interest? No. Far be it from me to have any kind of relationship with my students. And no cupcake would make me forget my top students. Thank you all the same. Today we're going to be looking at the central nervous system. What is the central nervous system? The central nervous system is a complex of nerve tissues that controls the activities of the body. What are we talking about? Welcome back, Doris. Good to see you, Doris. We're glad to have you back. So as I was saying, it is the complex of nerve tissues that controls the activities of the body. In vertebrates, it consists of the brain and the spinal cord. The nervous system gathers information from all parts of the body and coordinates every single activity of the human body. What?
You know I cannot allow my tutor do his laundry while I watch on, right? Let me help you out with those.
No, I certainly will not allow you do my laundry.
Why?
Who tells you it's a woman's place to do laundry? Moreover, when people see you doing this, they will misconstrue it, and I do not want that. Please.
Give me this while you continue with your big grammar. I'll help you with your clothes.
That reminds me, what's even wrong with that hospital? So many deaths there.
You know what? I imagine those deaths were caused by natural causes, but in all, I am aware of about 7 deaths.
7?
Yeah. I mean, I think it had something to do with the drugs the hospital were offering the patients. You know, some sources even say that these drugs were manufactured locally to save costs without any standardized checks on the production process.
Oh my God. How could people gamble with other people's lives like that? There was this I came visiting, and immediately I walked through the gate, I heard a woman screaming. She had just lost a daughter and she was lying right there. She practically assaulted the doctor, screaming at the top of her voice, "Killer! Killer! Fake doctor, fake drugs, fake hospital." But I was surprised. I honestly wish there was a way I could lay my hand on some of their drugs and probably take it home for testing.
You know what? Come to think of it, I think I have some drugs back home that I did not use from the hospital.
Seriously?
Yeah, because you provided me with some drugs from the city, so I didn't use the other ones. So I could bring those to you so you could test them.
Okay then, fine.
All right, cool. I hope you're okay though.
Yes. Concentrate on the armpits.
Which armpit? You're the one saying I shouldn't do your laundry, now you're saying I should concentrate on the... Look, don't even try me.
Sorry.
Mama.
Is this also for your teacher?
Mama, it's the least we can do for my personal scholarship board.
Well, I don't have anything against this, but my dear, we have to be careful. We have to be. You know, these villagers could be nosy.
Okay, Mama, look, you don't have to worry about that. I am wise enough to know what to do. It's okay, so just calm down. Everything will be fine.
Okay.
All right, I'll wait to see you later. Let me just rush up. I'll be back.
This cold is really getting at you. But I told you to leave early. When I checked the weather forecast, I told you it was going to rain heavily.
Well, I just needed to study a little bit.
You should go home now. It would rain, honestly. It's going to rain. And you're cold. Look at you shivering.
It's okay. It's fine.
Oh my God, this is serious. Okay, you take my jacket.
No, it's okay,
No.
really.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Sorry, yeah?
Thank you.
All right.
Thank
You may go home with it, then return it when you're coming to school tomorrow.
you. All right, no problem.
All right, take care of yourself.
Thanks.
Yeah.
All right.
True love never dies. True love never fades. Ooh, true love never hurt. No, never hurt. No.
All right. I'm very sorry about that. I should have returned your call before now, but I've been swamped. Yes. Yeah, my company was assigned a tax to test the authenticity of the drugs being shown out in the market.
Amazing. Hold on, Dad. I actually called to let you know that I'll be coming home with some drug samples from the local hospital here. I don't know the composition of those drugs, Dad, but I know they really do need testing.
Which part of my conversation with you is amazing? Is it the idea that I am swamped with work, or the fact that there are great numbers of dangerous drugs out there?
That I have finally found a place to take those phony drugs.
Okay. I'll try and schedule them for profiling and subsequent testing.
All right, Dad. Thanks a bunch. What are you doing here?
I actually came to seek your advice on something that has been bothering me.
And what might that be?
It's my dad. Can you imagine that? He feels that I shouldn't go to school, that it's not important, that I'm better off married to some rich friend of his.
How could he think a thing like that? Anyways, I have somewhere to go to now. I'll discuss this when I'm back from my trip, okay?
You're traveling. But where and why?
I have some drug samples to take to my father for testing, after which I'll come back and then we can talk to your father and get that funny idea off his head.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Would that be all?
Yes, yes, it's all. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'll take my leave now.
All right. Doris, I am so sorry I did not take your calls. Adenike suddenly showed up at my door and she had a lot to say.
Oh, Adenike comes visiting now?
I just told you she suddenly showed up at my door. Simple.
Okay, fine, Mr. Alex. I only called earlier to see if it was okay for me to bring your jacket to school.
You had to ask that. Seriously?
Here you go.
I'll be in class soon.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Guys, we just received an information. We should be striking soon. So get ready.
I don't know what to make of it, sir. But I find it quite disturbing.
Have you changed the locks to your room?
I've done that, sir. I've also reported the incident to the authorities.
Good. In that case, we will take it from that point. Don't worry, eh? When do you plan to travel?
In a few hours from now.
Okay then. Do have a safe trip.
Thank you, sir.
Why are you like this? When a young lady begins to act in this manner, it means she has gotten her heart into where she shouldn't. It's Alice, right?
Mama, imagine him bringing a new lady in his house. And when I asked him about it, he just said she came to say something.
I don't want to say this, but I warned you. Meantime, I want you not to get too involved with this guy. The likes of Alex, they are rare to find. A young man suddenly takes care of all your expenses, and doesn't ask for anything in return, and you expect the desperate ones to sit by and watch, they will definitely cash in on it. Especially when you're being too modest.
Mama, you brought me up well. I mean, I couldn't possibly just throw myself on him. Besides, he says it is unethical for him to date a student. So...
I am happy that I brought you up well. In fact, I did bring you up well. Look, my dear, listen. Whatever is yours is still yours. And it will eventually come back to you. Cheer up. Cheer up, my dear. Cheer up.
Who is that?
It's me, Adenike. Papa Alex, please, you need to leave this village right now. You're in trouble.
Why? What have I done?
I don't know, and I don't have all the information, but I overheard some men saying that you're a threat and that you need to be neutralized.
Oh my God.
See, my dad Keke is there. He's ready to take you to your nearest bus stop to Lagos. You need to leave now.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm almost done. Put it in now.
Hey, wake up.
Oh, you're awake. Well, it's good to know that. Prepping for the procedures.
What procedure? What's going on here?
We are not sorry for this inconvenience, okay? But I just feel it's fair for me to bring you up to speed on the happenings around. Well, we have a cause to suspect that your blood is enriched with ferric minerals. Following this frequent usage of Afric B. We are pharmaceuticals. And we are at the verge of a major breakthrough. We've been on the lookout for someone with your type of blood. And when we discover that it's in the bloodstream of the son of our major competitors, it was an offer that we couldn't resist.
You're making absolutely no sense. I was only using iphoric beef for a short period of time. You can't find what you're looking for in my blood, you sick minds! You can't!
Hey, calm down.
Oh my God, Adenike, you? My God. No, you would do, you would. No, I would never. No!
Mama, can you imagine how petty he is? He's refusing to pick his calls.
Why no? Anyways, young lady, can we make this talk about your lecturer turned boyfriend later? I had a very busy day. Sorry.
We know now. We know.
Actually, Nadenike was the problem all the while.
Really?
Yes, now. She was always bringing cupcakes to the girl.
Wow.
These girls do these days here.
This is really sad.
You just leave it in God's hands, sure.
Good day, class. On behalf of the Dean, I've come to convey this sad news to you. A well-beloved member of staff in this institution is missing. Mr. Alexander Brown, the copper. He was supposed to have traveled for something very important, but he never made it. His wallet and his phone were recovered from the scene of his supposed abduction. And the dean is currently at the police station to lodge a complaint for them to carry out investigations. Please, your prayers are highly solicited for this young man. Thank you.
Why are you doing this? I didn't care.
Oh, I can see you met Abigail. Well, you call her Adenike. She's an intern with us. She's sly, cunning, and sure gets the job done. Well, it's amazing what people do to climb the corporate ladder.
No, not again, dude. No, not again. It's killing me, no.
Oh, I thought you know better.
No, see that? No.
It's very unlikely. We should have gotten the samples at this point.
Yeah, if we do not get the samples, we have to assign some other companies. We're already stretched thin as it is.
Well, just give me some time, please, okay?
All right.
All right. Take care. I'll call you later, okay?
Yes, his test results were outstanding. Yeah, we actually needed a human host all along. His blood composition was perfect, thanks to his addition to folic B. Yeah. Exactly, yeah. Well, the final procedure takes place tonight. Trust me, I assure you, but his body needs rest if we intend to achieve great, significant results. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Right away, sir. I'm on my way. All right.
Debala, you hear that man with a seasoned wife?
Which one is that?
Now only you know that this time, I be waiting they tell me. I don't know where that sees the wife. They ask me, say, which man be that? Mr. Man, what are you doing sleeping here? You say? Lagos. Come. Come. Drop your knife. Come. You say, come. What's happened to you? Come. Come. Yeah? What's happened? Copper.
Thank you so much for saving my life.
Bros, wetin life go be if we no fit respect ourselves? Human life dey important too.
Are you sure you still remember the place?
Yes, I sure will.
My regards to them when you get there.
Thank you, I will. I'll be on my way now. All right.
Are you all out of your minds? Do you have any idea the time and effort put into this research? And we've lost it all because of your foolishness.
ineptitude has resulted in a colossal waste of resources. Pack this minute. We will talk when you return.
We're moving out. Now. And leave no evidences. Let's go. Now. Let's go.
Nurse, what's the emergency?
I'm not sure yet, doctor, but I suspect some form of trauma.
Alex! Alexander! He's my nephew. Hey, what's wrong with him?
I don't know yet. Fine.
Alex!
You're the patient, father?
Yes.
I'm sorry I'm meeting you for the first time under this rather unfortunate circumstance. I would like to see you. Right.
Is my son okay?
Just please follow me.
Here comes the Calvary. Daddy, you have to make plans to take me out of here. I got information that NYSC posting is in a few days. Daddy, what is wrong with her? Does mommy have anything against my going to serve my nation? Mommy Calvary. Come in.
So how are you feeling?
Are you all trying to tell me that there's a gap in my life? Why can't I remember anything? What happened to me?
You're going to be fine, okay? I assure you that everything will be all right. The doctors call it some kind of selective amnesia. It's more like you're having repressed memory. You know, something terrible that happened to you, trying to forget it and everything associated with it. It's just a matter of time. Everything will be okay.
Daddy, welcome. This one you're all smiles. What's the good news?
Guess what I have here?
What is that?
Offer of admission from the University of Wisconsin for your master's degree. Your dream university.
Oh, that.
Why are you not happy? This is all you ever wanted, remember?
Yeah, true that. There was a time that was all that mattered. There was such a time.
I know, it's finally over. I think I don't know what city we're going to be working in. Any of us working anywhere, I know.
It's true. What is it? Are you okay? Please, what is it? Are you okay? Are you sure everything is fine? Sorry.
It's okay, it's fine. Everything is fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's fine.
Please, let's go. Are you scaring me? Let's go.
It's okay.
Nonsense! Stop talking to me! Do you know who I am?
Daddy, please. Take it easy.
Who is your daddy? Shut up! Get out of here!
Please, you need to calm
I said, stay away from my side. I don't want to see you. Get away!
Dad, please. You really need to calm down. The nurses are here. Let them attend to you.
There's no way I'm going to allow trained personnel to put hand on a doctor of pharmacy like me. Huh? Yes, you. Come here. Come.
Sir?
Yes, you. Come. You look like you know what you are doing. I would like you to attend to me.
Okay, sir, not to worry. I will definitely attend to you.
Get out of here! I will use my federal might, federal power to do it. Get out!
Nurse. Dear, please, I really want to apologize for my dad's behavior.
Oh, please, it's not unusual for these outbursts at his age.
You know, it really isn't about his age. Some incident occurred in his company some few years back, and he never quite recovered from it.
Oh, I'm quite sorry about it, Mr.
Fred. My name is Fred. You know, for a Nigerian nurse, you are unusually pleasant.
Oh my God, that is so unfair. But anyway, I accept your compliment. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So Alex, what's your plan? Have you changed your mind and decided to take over the family business? As you can see, I am not growing any younger.
Daddy, we have spoken about this before. I can't take over the family business now. I need to hone my skills in oil and gas sector in an unbiased environment. After that, I can take it up. I don't want to run the company based on sentiment and emotion.
Yeah, that's true. So any of us yet?
Yes, I have agreed to take up consultancy services with Ajip and Mobile for a few years. After which I will consider taking up the family business.
Alex, Chidema says to be ready. She'll be taking you out tomorrow.
Okay then, tell her to pick a time and let me know.
Perfect. I'll do just that.
Isn't this the same Chidima?
Did you say you're going out today?
Yes, Mom. She wants us to hang out tomorrow, so I asked
Alex,
her.
Alex.
Yes.
Where's that stuff I said you should keep in my room?
I told you I dropped it in your
I
room.
can't find it.
It's there.
Let's go, please. I need to sleep.
God, you're such a
Can we
bum.
go, please? Let's go.
Ah! We'll be back, Daddy.
Let's go.
Hi, Nosdi.
Hi.
You seem to be running late.
Yes.
Hop in, please.
Thank goodness, Fred, you're God sent. I'm sorry I couldn't make it to lunch 3 days ago.
No problem, as long as lunch happens every day. My offer is still open. What about today?
Today should be good, yeah.
Okay.
I am so sorry, Fred. He was already in great retrogressive state before he was brought in. There wasn't so much we could do. All he needs at this time is love from his family.
I must finish what he started. I can't allow his work to go to waste. Can I see him now?
Okay.
So we said to check back in some few minutes.
Agnes, you're my secretary, and I cannot remember including chef duties to your portfolio.
You've been at that computer for over 8 hours. As your secretary, it is my duty to ensure that you are healthy and that you return to this office tomorrow.
Okay, I've heard you. I'll get something to eat. You can go now. Thank you.
Sorry about that. I'm really sorry.
Alex!
Oh my goodness.
What are you doing here? I really tried to get in touch with you ever since I returned into the country.
I'm sorry, I lost access to my emails and phones. I lost a lot of contact. So what are you up to?
Oh, you won't believe this. Give me a second. Hello, Tunji. Listen, I have just relieved you of your best man duties. I have really found my best man.
Oh my God. Wait. You're tying the knot with some lady?
Yeah, in a month's time at that.
Wow, congratulations.
You're welcome.
Wow.
Here, give me your number.
Okay then.
I'll come over with the card.
Okay. Here we go. Oh, she must be the lucky one. Yeah. Thank you for saying yes to my friend.
You can say that again. She's really a lifesaver, literally.
I can see.
You know what? Why not we have a reunion this weekend?
No, this weekend is not good.
There we have to. Alex, what time's sake?
Okay then, it will be fun. Good to see you.
Yeah, you too. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Good to see you, the queen of my friend's heart. All right, I'll be on my way now.
No problem.
All right.
Excuse me. You can't just walk past my office because you want to see Alex.
It's urgent. I need to see Mr. Alex now.
You cannot see Mr. Alex.
Right
Agnes.
Now. Sir.
Let her in.
Let her in.
Yeah. Tea, coffee, or water?
Alex, what are you doing here? Why now? You just ran and never looked back.
I'm sorry, I think you have me confused for someone else. Fred's fiancé, right? Is there a problem? Or did I say anything wrong the first time we met?
Okay, wait. You're still so very mischievous, Mr. Alexander Brown. Okay, I get it. Bad joke. Can we please just dispense with all this humor now? I can't remember the last time I laughed this hard. You're still so very funny. Oh my God. You really don't remember?
No, what are you talking about? Hey, what are you doing? Let me just pretend you did not violate the privacy of my hairline. What is this about? Sorry, I'm missing some moments in my life. I mean, something happened in my life recently. Do you know anything about it?
Alex, I will do everything in my power to make sure you remember that part of our life.
Sir, did you break someone's heart?
moment. Since the doctor said there is no possibility of him returning back to work.
I am really sorry about that. You know, losing that contract and the benefit of 10 years must have been very hard on him.
Really hard.
But life has to go on.
Of course. Anyway, enough of that. Let me give you something.
Oh my God, the IV is out already? This is real. Take a look, darling.
You're ready.
Congratulations, both of you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, so what are we having?
Why not I make another?
Okay, fine.
Chidinma, I think you should come with me since you already know what your husband likes. Yes.
All right, babe. Wow.
Hope you're doing fine.
Yeah, I'm good. It's gonna be great. I know you're really gonna make my friend happy. He's a nice person, you know. We've known for years, and
Listen, Alex. I don't think I can go on with this marriage anymore. I won't be happy in it. I won't leave him on and deceive that I'm happy with any of this. He doesn't deserve it, okay? I'll talk to him about it. Just call me after tomorrow.
oh, but I don't get.
Just take it. Call me after tomorrow.
Oh my God, what
You sure you know what you're doing?
Thank you.
Okay, here we are.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Thank you, honey.
What kind of an unpolished gentleman are you? Why should I get a Southford?
Don't you dare ever talk to him in that manner ever again. Are we clear?
Can we just go on with the food?
Yeah, that's a very nice idea. This girl not picking my calls. She's not picking up the call. She's not answering my call. Hi, Mama. How are you? Are you serious? You're coming into Port Harcourt? This is indeed a huge surprise. Tell you what, I will personally pick you up from the park myself. Okay. What is this? So you suddenly realize you don't want this, right? You are cruel and cold-hearted. After all I did for you, and this is how you repay me?
Listen, Fred. There's very little I can say or do to appease you. But I want you to know that you do not deserve to suffer in a marriage. Look, I cannot agree to a union when my heart belongs to someone else.
Don't you try to patronize me, you scum. Listen, I don't want to ever set my eyes on you. Nonsense.
I
have seen the pictures. And I am convinced they are not digitally doctored. But I'm still so confused.
Listen, Alex, don't worry about it. I am prepared to walk this journey with you.
Mommy, this is really strange. I can't believe this.
He is the test subject. His escape prevented your father from completing his research. And so your father is in this state because of this so-called friend of yours.
So what am I supposed to do now, Mama?
Granted, your father is a nutcase and a difficult man. Even I couldn't live with him. But he gave his all to this research. So, my dear, do whatever you need to do to complete it.
I'm sure you can remember this picture. And this. These two.
Don't be hard on yourself, Alex. The memories will unlock themselves eventually.
It's just so frustrating. So frustrating that I cannot have access into some parts of your life. Tell me, why are you doing this?
Alex, I couldn't do anything else even if I wanted to. Back then, you just came into my life and became everything to me. You became my tutor, my confidant, my doctor, my scholarship board.
But please do not tell me we dated. My mother is very strict on premarital sex.
Look at you. Is everything okay?
Oh my god! Alex, calm down. What? Oh my god! Alex! Alex! No! Alex!
Alex! Oh my god! Somebody help me! I am sorry, Alex. The last thing I want to do is hurt you. And if it comes to this, I cannot walk this journey with you. I am so sorry, Alexander.
He carried nursing school. Class of 2010. Tobias Ayo. Hamza Aliyu. Bayo Chukwu. Femi Adoteshina. Doris.
Alex!
Doris. Doris.
Alex!
Doris.
Alex!
It's you!
Oh my god! Alex!
Doris!
Alex!
I remember now. I remember very well. Adenike, yes. Adenike. She was part of them.
Part of who exactly?
When I was kidnapped. I was taken hostage by my father's rival company. She was their spy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's quite a lot to take in. So wait. Are you saying
Adenike was no mere student you were beginning to fall for?
No! Adenike was a spy. Sent by farm care and planted in a nursing school.
Oh my God.
I wasn't falling for her like you thought.
Well, little wonder she disappeared right after you went missing. And to think the rumors making the rounds was that you eloped with her. Alex!
Doris. Remember you, Doris? Oh my God! Oh my God, Doris, this is you! Oh my God!
Who do you think you are, Alex? Who do you think you are? All these years? Alex, all these years? Gosh, you heartbreaker. You cheat.
Hey, hold it there. You can say whatever your emotions dictate to you, but my brother isn't a cheat. He is nothing close to your ex-husband.
What? You've been married before? Sandra! Sandra, she's been married before? Sandra, you knew this and you let me get this! Hello, my student turned fiancé. How are you? Yeah, just broke up with her like 1 minute ago.
I only came to apologize for my actions. Nothing, I mean absolutely nothing, justifies my actions. Doris, I'm really sorry for the things I said to you. Please forgive me.
I totally understand, Fred. I probably would have done the same or even worse in your shoes.
Come on, guys. We've come quite a long way. No one amongst us should be the reason to start up some war. I brought a lot of this as a peace offering. It's with your secretary.
You know what, Fred? Thanks so much for being so large-hearted. Thank you. Yeah, by the way, I forgot one of my medical books at your place. Is it okay for me to come by and pick it up later in the week?
No problems. You can pick up the spec here at the usual place.
So I'm thinking we organize a reception for the orphans and less privileged.
Alex, I noticed you're drinking from some of the wine Fred brought. Is that okay?
Of course. It's peace offering. How else do I prove I have been appeased if I don't take it? Okay, then we'll make out a day or two to go to the orphanage and visit the orphans. And
Are you okay?
yeah, I'm fine. Get some stuff for them, you know. These things are necessary, not. What's this?
Alex, what's wrong? Alex, what's going on? Alex!
Oh!
What's wrong? Alex, what is this? Alex, what? Somebody help me! Alex! Alex!
My dear.
Oh my God.
I heard what happened. I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
But you really need to calm down now, okay? Let me speak to a few friends around to ensure he's given utmost priority.
Thank you very much. Oh, by the way, is it okay for me to go pick my medical book from your place?
Sure thing. You can go ahead.
All right, thank you. I'll be back.
Hey, young man, what are you doing here? Huh? Huh?
Call the security, please.
Hello, security. I need 2 policemen at the ICU now.
Pack this minute. We will talk when you return.
We're moving out. Now. I can't believe this.
When you
He
return.
is the test subject. His escape prevented your father from completing his research. And so your father is in this state because of this so-called friend of yours.
This is shocking. My God. It is amazing how far people can go for fame and glory.
You know what? Just forget about this for now. Because we have a wedding to prepare for. Okay?
True love never dies. True love never fades. Ooh, true love never hurt. No, it never hurt. No, no. True love never dies. True love never fades. It never fades away. And true love never hurts. It never, never, never hurt. It never hurts, no. I will love you forever. I will love you till the end. My love for you will never fade. It will never ever die. And I will love you forever, yeah. 'Cause true love never dies.